we're looking right here at our side angle, our hypotenuse leg. So do you guys remember me telling you in the beginning that side angle does not work? Okay, this is the one case when it does, and we call it hypotenuse leg. That's what HL stands for. And so we're going to prove it by using this. Using a protractor, we're going to draw a line at a 40-degree angle from point A on the horizontal line below. Then we're going to make a point 7 centimeters along the line you just drew and label it point B. Now we're going to draw a segment starting at B that is 5 centimeters long and touch the horizontal line. So I'm going to draw. I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it at the end. Make sure it lines up nicely. And I'm going to make a mark right at 40 degrees. Okay. And then I'm going to draw a line that is 7 centimeters long. And that's B. Like from this side? Yes. Okay, that's 7 centimeters. This is 40 degrees, right? Now I'm going to draw a line from B, but it has to meet this line at the bottom, but it's 5 centimeters long. So I take my ruler and I move it right until that 5, see how this 5 centimeters right here? It's got to intersect with that line. And then I know to draw it right there. That's 5 centimeters long. Okay? Did you guys follow along? Feel okay about this? All right. Now I'm going to take my protractor and I'm going to measure these other 2 angles. I get that this is about 85. Therefore, if this is a true actual triangle, 180 minus 40 minus 85 would make this 55 degrees. Yep. Okay. What type of triangle is this? Is this an acute, a right, or obtuse? Acute. Okay. Now you guys are going to use a protractor and draw a line at a 40-degree angle from X on the horizontal line below. Then make 7 centimeter line you just drew and label it Y. Then you're going to draw a segment starting at Y that is 4.5 centimeters long and touches the horizontal label. Now examine X, Y, Z. What kind of triangle is it? What do the previous 2 activities tell you about how you can create a unique triangle? And what can you conclude? Okay? So you're going to draw another triangle. Just instead of 5 centimeters, you're looking at 4.5 centimeters. And then you're trying to see how big it is. Okay? Our next part is your homework. State if the 2 triangles are congruent. If they are, state how. So this is just everything we've done so far. So that means you could use side, 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 angle, angle, side, angle, 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 side, and our new one for today, hypotenuse leg. Okay? All right, we're going to state if these 2 triangles are congruent. If they are, state how. So hypotenuse leg is if you know it's a right triangle. See how number 2, those are both right triangles? You have the hypotenuse and 1 leg. So these are congruent by hypotenuse leg. You can just put HL. Okay. Let's go ahead and turn it over. Okay. State what additional information is required in order to know the triangles are congruent. We have hypotenuse leg, so we've got the hypotenuse. We know it's a right triangle, so we need a leg. So I can say DF is congruent to XV. I could have also said DE is congruent to WV, either one. So these little things that say like LL and HA, don't worry about those. You can just look at what's in the parentheses for side, or angle, side, or angle, side, angle. Okay? So that is your homework. Make sure you finish this classwork before you move on to your homework, just in case you don't have a protractor or ruler at home. Okay? And then you can go ahead and work on your homework.